Hi, Alex here explaining how to have access to the paid trial. There are two different trials. One unlimited trial, which you have described on the website, and the other one is a paid trial, which requires purchasing a service called Talk to Alex. By installing the app, you have access to the paid trial. By the way, you have full credit if you then upgrade to a plan. You have access to a folder, and within the folder you have several documents. One of them is the frequent asked questions. Then you have getting started for your guidance. You have a chat room, name a trial chat room. You have video on demand demo trial. There is a separate video explaining how does it work. And finally you have the AI bot trial, for which you also have a separate video explaining how does it work. I can enter here, and you have here the outline which you can follow. And as you can see, there is a plan for those that they are interested starting in the service. There are tutorials and so on explaining everything that you have here access. Okay. Well, having said this, the great advantage of subscribing to Talk to Alex is described on the website. There are several benefits, one of them accessing precisely to this demo trial. And demo trial is important for anyone interested in upgrade to a paid plan, because it allows you, it gave us a lot of work preparing all this stuff. It allows you to accelerate significantly the learning curve. Therefore, instead of going directly to a paid plan, you can, before paying for the service, subscribe to the paid trial, Talk to Alex, and by doing so, you can spend here the time that you wish, in the end deciding which is the best plan for you. Thank you.